I'm still technically shooting at the event, but I'm just on a camel. Just for a small bit of context, before you go to Dubai, basically that Switzerland event, the blockchain event, finished at 7 o'clock, and we had to be at the train station catching a train for 7:30 to catch a 9 o'clock flight overnight to Dubai. It's a 6-hour flight to Dubai, and then we have approximately 2 hours to get to the hotel from the airport before the next event starts. It was an unbelievably tiring and stressful turnaround, but we did it. Arriving in Dubai, we literally have 8 minutes to get in, get showered, get changed, and get prepped for the next event. It begins at 9 o'clock downstairs. We are running so late, but check out this room! I'm in such a hurry, I gotta go.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning! Now there's so many thoughts going through my brain.
Hey, that's my
And I'm taking this shine like it's Novocaine. Yeah. Oh, I fall apart. Down to my core. Oh, I fall apart.
I'm still technically shooting at the event, but I'm just on a camel. Now I got a bird of prey on me. This is a weird night. Alright, so that's going to be the end of this vlog. I had an incredible day shooting in Dubai, but as you saw at the start of the video, it was an incredible turnaround and I had to sleep on a plane for like 3 hours. It was business class and a double-decker A380 plane, but I still only had 3 hours sleep, and then we had like 8 minutes to set up to shoot the event, and it was like a full day thing. You saw the amazing desert scenes. It was just unbelievable. But what the vlog doesn't show is how tired I was the entire time. I kept taking like 5-minute naps every chance I got just to sit down. So, as the text just said, I spent the next day sleeping and editing to get all the Switzerland stuff out of the way, as well as start on some of the Dubai editing. But then the third day I spent traveling Dubai and getting some of the touristy sites in. I was a bit confused because I was on my own and I actually had no money, which is kind of a funny story the next vlog, but I got to the Burj Khalifa and I'm not going to spoil it. You can see it next week. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye on this channel because I have some cool stuff coming.